The number one challenge for beginners to the kettlebell swing. As a beginner, most of us learn by starting with the deadlift, also known as a hinge movement. But the hinge, or the deadlift, is missing the explosive aspect of a kettlebell swing. To capture the explosive nature of a kettlebell or dumbbell swing, imagine you're about to jump. You bend at the hips to get ready to load your body to jump as high or as far as you can. And with the swing, you're about to jump your body with your feet staying rooted to the ground. Even with a dumbbell swing, the body needs to prep as if about to jump. This is an example of no explosiveness, and here's an example of adding the jump mentality into the dumbbell swing. Jump and keep your feet rooted.